After my northern Pakistan tour, I stayed back in Karachi for one main reason: food. Karachi is known for its vibrant food scene and quite possibly has the best foods in Pakistan. From roadside stalls to upscale cafes, Karachi is something for everyone. In this two-part series, I visit a few of my favorite spots, starting with dessert. Baloch Ice Cream. I've been waiting for this. Let's see what they have installed. Single scoop 70, double 120, triple 170. All sorts of flavors in here. Shakes and specialties. Ooh, special faluda. Okay, not sure if I want to have that. And then there's some refreshments. Not really interested in that for now. The shakes look interesting. I'm just wondering how are they gonna serve this ice cream? Is it like in a sundae, a split?
I don't know.
Okay.
One scoop, maybe in one cup. Maybe in one cup.
Maybe in just one cup? So it's just the ice cream, yeah.
So it's just the ice cream.
Any toppings? I'm sure they'll have toppings and stuff just like that. Okay, we're gonna decide on what to have. It's been a hot day. I mean, it's really nice to have ice cream in this weather. Our ice cream and faluda has arrived. This would be the pista ice cream, which is pistachio, and this would be the kulfa, the traditional Indian Pakistani ice cream. So really excited to try this. And this is the faluda. Check out all the layers in there. Oh yeah, and there's ice cream as well and some dried fruits. It's very creamy. I like it. A little bit sweet though, but you can feel the pistachios, very rich. I guess it's very focused on the milk and the cream. It makes it very rich. But yes, I would say I love it. Let me get to the kulfa now. And that reminds me of what Aisha makes at home, right? The kulfa. I don't know what there is. What's the special fragrance to it? Nothing special. It's secret recipe, I guess. But yes, I'm loving it. Take a stab at this faluda. Wow. It feels like a lot of saffron, I think. I'm not sure. And this is like jelly. We call it gas, right? It's like crumbled gas.
You want to mix it.
Ice cream. We're gonna get right in. Get it. Wow, look at this. I think there's vermicelli, there's raisins, there's some dried fruits as well, and again there's this gas jelly. Wow. Oh, mixture of flavors. I wouldn't say it's exactly sweet. There's some natural sweetness in it, which I like. But it's just nice. So it's not overly sweet. It's just nice, I would say. But it's very creamy again. Lots of milk, lots of nuts and stuff. You'll mix it all together?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. See, look at all that. See the almonds. I thought it was going to be too sweet, but I think it's just nice. It's not sweet at all, but it's more of a refreshing dessert. Lots of nuts, vermicelli and all that. It's a good orchestra of different flavors inside. I'm loving it. This is the faluda from Baloch Ice Cream. Guess what? We ordered another serving, triple scoop. Guess what we got? So we got chocolate chip. This will be chocolate chip. This is coffee, and we've got mango. Wow! I mean, we just figured we have to try some new flavors as well. Let's see how this is. The coffee is really rich. I mean, it's not for people to just taste coffee. It's for coffee lovers, you know. There's a little bit of bitterness as well. It's very rich. It's like you're really drinking coffee. Let's get on to the chocolate chip. Wow. Very milky. Got a lot of rich vanilla flavor. I can't see much of chocolate chip though, but certainly a little bit of an Indian taste to it, you know, lots of milk. Alright, mango. Mango's a bit disappointment. It's not as rich as I think it should be. Well, I'm not really a big fan of mango anyway, but it's alright. Overall, yes, I'll recommend this place, Baloch Ice Cream. And if you're in Karachi, do check it out. I'll link all the descriptions down in the comments below. Right now, this is yet another day and I'm here for lunch at Hanifia Burgers. Alright, so basically they actually sell Hunter beef burger. This has been recommended by a friend of mine. So basically Hunter beef is supposedly a little bit more healthier. It's like dried beef with a little bit of seasoning. I don't know what to expect, but I think it's kind of popular. So it takes a long while to prepare the beef. Variety of burgers. Hunter beef burger. Looks like they are quite popular on Hunter beef. They got chicken beef, Hunter beef with cheese, definitely with the cheese. The chicken burger. They got roast as well. So I do kind of like roast because it's just good old fried chicken. And Zinger, yes, they call it Zinger as well. So probably the crispy type of Zinger, not from KFC. So Mandi, Arabian Wimpy. This is new. Alakif, something like a roll, I guess. And they got gyro. Okay, I've heard of that before. And what else they got? Fried Hunter beef as well. Fish items. Sandwich, Arabian chicken, fries and drink. Lil dude is in deep thoughts. He's trying to think what burger he wants. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the one with cheese. First thing that arrived is the roast, the chicken roast. Is basically just good old fried chicken with masala, and they actually serve with the burger bun, right? So I'm just gonna take a bite at the roast, and this happened to be the garlic sauce and the ketchup. Somehow chili sauce isn't so popular. Wow. Right, it's actually fresh. I'm kind of surprised they serve it so fast. It could be it's half fried and then just refried and then they serve it, but yes, it's nice, it's hot. If you're not looking for anything fancy, you just want a good old fried chicken, this definitely is. You can check out the other sauce that came with the Hunter beef. Not a big fan, honestly. Spicy but tangy as well. I'll stick with the garlic and the ketchup. I think those are best. Fries are pretty standard as well. Okay. Definitely refried. But yeah, okay. It's fresh. Let's check out the Hunter beef burger. It's pretty normal in size, but it's not that pricey actually. It's about 210 rupees. So it's about 2 Singapore dollars. But let's check out what's inside. So you can see the cheese is there. And you have just pieces of dried beef. Oh yeah, definitely feels very similar like pulled meat, you know, like you have pulled chicken and whatnot. Oh yeah, feels a bit different. The texture is there. It's pretty spicy as well. So they add a little bit of seasoning, and it feels fresh because it's not really fried, or it's just dried. For what I read online, it's like it's dried for days or weeks maybe, just to achieve, you know, this kind of texture. It's pretty interesting. Alright, I'm just gonna eat the burger now. Wow. Not bad. Just has a little bit of an Indian taste to it, but not so much. I mean the buns have been toasted, so they have a nice crusty feel at the outside, soft on the inside. It is wholesome. Yeah, I really like it. It's just a different taste. It's basically pulled meat. If you like pulled meat, this will be it. And we got something new here. We just ordered. It's the the fish and chips. Yep, and can see it's sprinkled with some chili powder, right? Some sort of a chili masala, right? Yeah. So look at it. It's really fresh. It's newly fried. Check it out. It is fresh, definitely. Honestly, I think this tastes better than the Hunza beef or even the chicken. The chicken is, chicken tastes like chicken, right? Right? But fish, yep, you can feel the freshness in it. I'm just gonna dip it into that ketchup garlic combination. It's just a very simple dish, but it's cooked with the right spices and all that.
Right?
And yeah, and fish. I mean, I want to fry it fresh and it really feels good. Okay, next up, I'm gonna try out the Zinger Burger here. Somehow, Zinger seems to be a very popular name, and obviously it comes from KFC. So you can see the patty. You have the mixture of mayo, a little bit of ketchup or chili, I'm not too sure, and then you have this crusty chicken patty. So it's basically very close to the original Zinger. I'd say it's much better than expected. The chicken patty is pretty close to the original Zinger in terms of texture, but in terms of the spicy flavor, KFC is still KFC. This one tastes a bit different, but the composition of it, together with the mayo and the ketchup is a bit different. So that makes the burger taste quite a bit different, right? So overall, I'd say the closest thing of this Pakistani Zinger is to the original KFC Zinger. It's the crust and the patty, the way it's been prepared. But the flavors, the spices, just sets it apart. It's definitely not bad, but it's different than KFC Zinger. But it has become a brand name here. It would be nice if they have a slice of cheese in it. In fact, I kind of like this more than the Hunza beef burger. Well, just me.